Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Forgot to shoot the intro until after the tournament, so I'm actually shooting the intro and outro together. But we did end up doing good in this tournament. It wasn't the best, but y'all see in the video, of course. Leave some comments if you'd like. Let me know what maybe I need to improve on video wise, or if I should mount the cameras a little bit different. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. Horn a toad. Backlash and a half. Got him. Got one. You ready? Let him, let him.
Hopefully that time.
Yeah, he wasn't coming off.
D12.
Oh, duh. I'm laying my rod down. Check that out. Look at that hook.
Number one. You gonna weigh him and everything?
You got it.
Up there.
Back at it. He hammered it. Like, I mean, I thought I was hung on a log. There we go.
Got him.
Got him.
Got him. Good.
Bring him. Keep him down. Keep him down. Holy crap, that's a big one.
Ooh, that's so good.
Bring him over here. Just keep him down. Keep him down. You got him. Don't horse him.
Oh my God.
Just bring him over here.
I'm trying.
Yep, run back there. That's fine.
Run to the boat. Make sure you get him back out.
There he goes. Bring him over
Up there.
Right. Oh, I got him!
Let's go! Come on, get up there. Off the dock.
There's your fish. Son of a gun! Holy crap, we turned around and caught that thing. Dude, give me some. Oh.
Got him.
Fish? Oh, he still got him. He just threw his freaking plastic.
I thought it was plastic.
I thought he lost it.
I was like, oh no.
Keep your rod tip down so that way he don't throw.
Stick it in the water. Stick it in the water. Good to do.
got it. He came off that tree. Give me that. Okay. Look at, wow. Why is his fins like that?
He's up there bed.
Huh. Well, he keeps.
Yeah.
Alright. Holy crap. Is he bleeding? Water, it flipped upside down, sunk to the bottom. Scared you, it hit me in the chest.
I know, it scared me. That was hilarious.
2 pieces left.
4 fish all alive.
4 fish all alive. What boat number?
17.
Boat number 17. Dylan May, Ben Scott, Tennessee Valley. 9.64.
Okay.
There you go. Good job.
Let me get your release on that.
That's a pretty fish right there. Swim off. Now it's your time. Get some water flowing through them gills. Do a little trick. Do a little trick. Do a little trick. He gone?
He gone.
There it goes.
Is Levi. Look, all you gotta do is press him against the corner, put 2 fingers under his jaw, and pry it open. You got it on video. That one about slapped you in the face.
Oh man. It's harder than it looks.
It is.
If this big one would stop, I could get it.
I bet you I ain't worried about no weights. Oh, look at that.
There we go. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
I can't let the water out. There's a plug in there. You know, because they won't fill up if there's not.
Our pump out wouldn't work inside. Ben pulled the plug.
We don't have pump out.
Mine's got pump in on my boat, but no pump out. And it does have bilge pumps. Heck yeah.
See, I'm wondering if this bag weighs any more now than it did walking up here. Because the fish are floating in it, so I really don't think it does.
Oh, I've just been recording everyone.
Get the boat.
Jeez. I did not get my smile from her.
In 6th place. To the team of Dylan May, Ben Scott. 6'4" for 6th place. Got a little cash there, guys, or check. All right.
50 smackers in.
5th place goes to the team of Alvin and Jackson Martin.
There's one rod that got broke earlier.
And there's a chatterbait. So, that's into that video. We ended up in 6th place with 9.62 pounds. Of course, you saw I only caught the one. My partner had to carry me that tournament, but you can't really hate for 4 fish, 9 pounds, almost 10. I'm shooting this video, getting ready for this weekend, which we leave tomorrow morning about 3:30 going to Old Hickory. I'm hoping fishing will be better there. Of course, y'all see, because I hopefully have a video posted, but if we don't do good, we don't do good, but I'll see y'all then.